Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through a very beautiful set of handmade kalamkari chennuri silk sarees in very pretty and vibrant color combinations. All these sarees are light in weight and be a perfect choice for this summer season. The kalamkari prints are made using natural colors and the saree length is 6.3 meters with contrast printed blouse. All over the body part of this set is having symmetric kalamkari prints with contrast kalamkari borders and a rich printed pallu. And these beautiful collections you are getting in a price of 1450 rupees along with a free shipping. For making orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links are given in the description. Our payment mode is through online only, and please avoid making direct calls. Do share any kind of queries to the given WhatsApp number. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.